Did you know that hosting virtual events is a great way to generate leads? All right, so how do we actually do it? Well, first off, I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and I've done virtual, in-person, and hybrid events for years now. So let me share it with you. So when you want to generate leads using a virtual event, the key metric here is making sure you have some type of sign-up form. Yes, doing a live stream can be great to have reach, and I have another video talking about that. But if you want to generate leads, you need to be collecting people's information. So if you're using Zoom, making sure that there is a registration portion of the Zoom activated, which we have a tutorial down below that explains how to do that. If you are using whatever tool, making sure people are using Eventbrite, Luma, or some type of tool or even a Google form to register, because you want to collect at least their name, email, and then maybe one or two other metrics that will help you convert them. Maybe you ask them, why are you attending this event? What problem are you trying to solve? What industry are you in? What is your LinkedIn? What is your company name? So that way you can follow up and engage with them after the virtual event. So if you want to use virtual events to generate leads, the best types of virtual event to do is some form of webinar or maybe even a summit. Usually summits have multiple speakers and, those are a little bit more heavy lifting to plan, but a webinar is just sufficient. And the key thing when you're doing this is making sure you have a way to collect emails, names, and other critical contact information. Down below, we have some blogs, ebooks, and PDFs linked that will help you in the process of setting up your virtual event, finding what tool to use, and then setting it up in a successful way to actually generate those leads. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to chat more about how you can use virtual events, and if you need virtual event tech support, you don't want to handle the technology part, you just want to generate the leads, we can have a conversation about that. So reach out to us at GSD Solutions Inc. Everything you need is going to be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.